Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Lady Gaga here with a song called Hold My Hand. So this is from the movie Maverick, the Top Gun movie here, with Tom Cruise cruising around high in the sky. Yeah, anyway, let's start with the song. Very easy to play. We have 5 chords and no need for any capo on this one. So let's start with the chords like we usually do. We have first the G. Right, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next, E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So we have a bar here on the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so there we have all the chords, and it is basically 95% with the chords G, D, E minor, and C. We'll have the F later in this song, but yeah, mostly these 4 chords. And what I think now is the best way is actually to just go over the song and give you the different parts here and play along me while I'm speaking and telling you how many downs you will do for every chord, because this song is just about downs, 1 or 2 per chord, and that's it. So it's very simple to play this song. So yeah, we'll start right away with the first verse. Here in the first verse we have only 1 down per chord, so it will start with G, D, C, G, D, G, D, C, G, D. And that's it for the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. Here we will have 2 downs per chord, starting with E minor, C, G, D. 1 chord progression again, E minor, C, G, and it ends with only 1 D, plus a pause. And that takes us to the chorus. In the chorus we have 2 downs per chord, so it continues with G, D, E minor, C. 1 more round, G, D, E minor, and C. And it ends with a vocal part, promise me, just hold my hand. That's the lyric. Yeah, second verse, it will be about the same chords, but played a little bit differently. Only downs now, so it will be G2, D2, C2, G1, D1, and again G2, D2, C2, G1, D1. And then comes the pre-chorus number 2, played in the same way as the first one, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, 2 times or 2 downs per chord. Then comes the second chorus that is played also in the same way as the first chorus. So nothing changes here in the second chorus. And then comes actually a post-chorus in the lyrics, hold my hand, hold my hand. This one is played with 2 downs for the following chords: G, D, E minor, C. And we play that around again, so G, D, E minor, and C. And after this post-chorus comes our bridge part. Alright, so we will have 2 downs per chord. except from the last chord, but we'll go for 2 downs, starting with D, E minor, now comes the F, and C. And again, D, E minor, F, and the final chord G you play with 4 downs. And that builds up for the final part, the post-chorus. And this will be 2 downs per chord except from the last chords here. So it will be G 2 downs, D2, E minor 2, C2. We do that again, G2, D2, E minor 2, and now the last chord C5, 3, 4, 5, and it holds like that. And it ends in the lyrics, I heard from the heavens, with a beautiful G, 1 down. And there you have the song from Lady Gaga, Hold My Hand. So very, very easy to play this one. And it's a great way to practicing changing chords here if you're new to Gordon guitar and new to guitar play. And generally speaking, then this is a great song to start with. Very basic chords, G, D, E minor, C. We're throwing an F there if you want it, but otherwise these 4 chords. When you know these 4 chords and you can handle them, you can play thousands of songs. So it's a great way of starting your guitar career. Playing this song, only 1 or 2 downs, and that's it. So good luck with this one, guys. Hold my hand and play tuned.